everybody, this is Paul 125 Roller Coaster Challenge, and we're in Dante's Dungeon at Morey's Pier, and we're going to be going through and showing you everything that makes this flat ride a classic.
Hands up, please.
Hands are up. All right, we are now secure as we go through. Now this is a classic ride that I went on 30, 40 years ago, so let's see what's changed.
All right, here we go.
So these classic dark rides are all about quick stops and turns and just a lot of fun. So, and it's very dark. I got permission. Alright, do not do this if you don't have permission, but I did get permission today from Morey's Piers. Wow, that is a classic. They actually have live actors. That is our POV of Dante's Dungeon at Seaside Pier at Morey's Piers. Thank you for watching and have yourself a great day.